Hi everybody, today we're going to show you how to swap out the control board in your 7500 Rev2.5 control valve. There was a couple of revisions of these control valves. The first revision actually had 4 screws, one in each corner here on the back side. For those you would remove those 4 screws to remove the cover. The newer versions actually have little detent clips right here that you just kind of press out and it'll pop off, and it's pretty obvious. You'll see which one you're dealing with there. So anyway, in this particular case we had the 4 screws. I went ahead and removed those, and you're going to go ahead and remove this front cover. Now I wanted to mention, this is your control board, this is your display board. We have another video that shows you and talks out how to swap this display board out, so I'm just going to focus on the control board in this video. So the first thing I wanted to point out, all these connectors are color-coded and they're pinned out differently, so you really can't plug it into the wrong spot. So the first thing we're going to do is move this display board and front cover by removing this white 4-pin connector here. Okay? This we're just going to set aside. So now there are various cables that run back to the back valve and then your power cable as well. So first thing we're going to do is remove this 3-pin white connector. There's a 7-pin white connector here we'll remove, 2-pin red connector, and a 2-pin white connector. So this is going to remove all the connectors, and then this is your control board. Now your new control board does come with a new power cord. You can run a new power cord through if you need be, but chances are you'd be able to reuse the cable here and just unplug it from there. But you do get a new power cord with this little fitting that goes through the valve body here, a little clip to support it. Okay, so now if you come up here, there are 4 spots here. These 2 spots actually have small little Phillips head screws. That basically just screws into the head here. So what you would do is take those 2 screws out, actually remove your control board, install your new control board, and put the screws back in. At that point, then you're going to go ahead, and these connectors there again have little tabs, 2 tabs on each side. You can see where they go into the slots, and you'll just put these back in. And then the white one will go in the white slot. The red one here will go in the red slot. And then this is the 3-pin white connector we'll put back into here. Then you'll go ahead and grab your display board and front cover, and we'll go ahead and put that 4-pin white connector back in like this. Go ahead and tuck all your wires back up in there. You'll snap that back into place if you have the clips on the side. If not, you'll put that back in, put your 4 screws back in. And that's all it takes to change the control board out on your Rev 2.5 valve. Thanks.